And now we have frog party.
Oh, frog party. Hello everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to another video. And for this one we're going to do something a bit different. We are going to be doing
Origami now, but a ribbit frog.
a ribbit frog.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do a ribbit frog. And for this we need a square sheet of paper.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you how to do that
Yeah. The one.
by
yeah.
using a normal A4 sheet of paper.
Yeah, yeah.
So you're going to need your mom or dad to help you with this one, but we are going to be measuring 85 millimeters off the edge. So I got it upside down. So 85 millimeters there.
Yeah.
We make a little mark,
Okay.
and at the bottom as well. It's 85 millimeters.
Okay.
And we make another mark. Now we draw a line from the one mark we made on top to the one we made at the bottom.
Okay.
Just like that. And so we cut off this piece.
Yeah.
So we're going to lose this piece of paper, then we'll end up with a square. So I'm going to cut this out real quick. Ask an adult to help you with this. Ask
Yeah.
mom or dad.
Yeah, yeah. You see.
Or grandpa, uncle or auntie.
Yeah.
Or you can do it yourself if you're very careful.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you heard the people use the hand make a frog, right?
There we go.
Right
People
there.
hand make a frog?
Yeah, I show you how.
Okay, wait. I'll do it. I'll start this off.
Yeah.
So we can put the scissors aside,
Yeah.
and we keep the pencil aside. So now we each have a square of
Yeah,
paper.
actually, I want to tell you my favorite one. I do a snake. Do that other way.
Okay, what do you do with snake?
Yeah.
But we're not doing a
I
snake.
know. No. I know.
We are going to be doing a ribbit frog, like you as you call it. I'll just call it a frog.
Yeah, I know. In a frog, but I just tell it rabbit frog.
Okay. So for the first step, you want to fold this page in half. From the one corner, you join it to the other corner.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the one side joins the other side
Yeah, I
entirely.
want to do the bird.
Yeah, and if like I did now, didn't cut it perfectly straight, that's gonna not join up easy. But anyway, we end up with a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Still trying to line mine up a bit better. Okay, so we each have a rectangle, a double overfolded piece of rectangle. There we go. You have yours?
Yeah.
That's correct. So now we're gonna fold this corner over to this side while that edge
Oh.
meets, but both of them, it's a double sheet now. So it meets that corner there. And we press it down, rub it down, and
Yeah.
make a nice crease like that.
Yeah.
So we do the same thing to the other side. Rub that crease down. And look, now we have an X going across the top of the page.
Yeah.
Okay? So for the next step, we want these corners,
Yeah.
these quarters here to join each other.
Yeah.
But an easy way to do that is
Yeah.
to flip the page,
Flip the page.
fold this X that we've made,
Yeah.
fold it in half
Oh.
so that the top legs of the X meets the bottom, and we rub that crease in. Let me see what you're doing.
Subscribe.
Where's your X?
Yeah. I did the one myself.
No. Okay. But you need to fold it in half like this.
Oh, sorry.
So that, yeah.
I didn't know that.
Okay. So now we flip the page back over,
Yeah.
and now when we,
Poop.
and then those creases are already folded
Yeah.
in, and it's easy
Yeah,
to
that-
make this part of it.
Yeah, that's like a button.
Hmm.
You know what the button looks like?
A button? Which button?
You You know you play video game, but
Oh, a video game button, yeah. Triangle. Okay, so for the next step, we need to fold the bottom side over to meet this line here on top. So take the bottom of the page, fold him over till there, and fold the crease in, and we can fold this little points that we can lift over here, fold it up, and we can immediately see those are two little froggy legs in front.
Dad food.
Frog legs, frog foot. Okay.
No. Yeah, like so. That means they arm, and on the back, yeah, leg.
Okay, the front is arms and the back legs are legs.
Yeah.
Front arms, back legs.
Yeah.
Okay, so folded that in half.
Yeah.
You got your little front legs,
Yeah.
your arms rather, your front arms. So now,
Solo.
and we folded this page in half, right? You got that? Okay, so now we need to fold this edge over to meet this middle line. So we'll have a crease over there. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, we need to fold that down over there. And rub that crease down. So we got that, and we do the same to the other side.
Yeah.
So we do that over here. So the paper is rather thick now because of all the folding, and it was a double sheet to start off with, so it's going to be a bit thick. So now what we need to do is fold this over again to that middle point.
I don't
You see that?
like so.
Yeah, fold it over again till the, so it's very thick now, the paper.
Yeah.
Rub it down. So if you lift it up, you see this crease you got, opening we got here with the two flaps.
Yeah.
So we pinch down that section there of that flaps, and we try to open this up, and we try to do the same on that side till we get
A front leg.
the back legs,
Yeah, back.
and you can see it's split wide open back.
Yeah.
So the frog is doing the splits, and then when we fold, we take this corner, fold it back over, just to make a line like that. You see it? We make a crease over here. We make a crease over in the middle to get this edge here
Yeah.
to join that line there.
Yeah. Like a letter M.
Now we see a letter X again here, correct? So we kind of see a letter X again, and these are the froggy legs, front and back, arms and legs. So now we need to fold the legs over onto the arms. So we're gonna do this. Fold them in half. Thick piece of paper now. Push that crease down. You got it?
Yeah.
Push it down. And pull that.
And why do you mind?
Now we need to lift this back flap and fold that in half again. Now it's tough, it's really tough.
And why you my hand?
Yeah, you can push it down. Let's see yours. Did you fold it down properly? Yeah. And Izzy's frog is done. If you fold this over really well, you get a lot of tension in the paper over here. And there we have our froggies. And they can hop. Whoops. They can hop and jump.
How am I use it?
Let me see if you did this last crease nice and... Let me just hold off that nicely for you. That's why you need to push down very firmly. And whoops, he did a somersault.
Yeah, it's like a flag.
So, like the ones we have over here, you can either draw a face on them. Yeah, frogs don't have human faces like
Yeah.
Okay, they don't have human faces.
Even
Those frogs have little faces like this maybe.
and so some googly
And frogs have googly eyes like that. Okay, so I have a little bag of googly eyes over
Wait
here.
up, my frog wants some.
Do you want some? Do you want some googly eyes?
Yes,
Okay, let's add some googly eyes to this.
get it. Put it in my hand.
I'm gonna give you a tiny one,
Wait up, give me a tiny eye.
a tiny eye,
Yeah.
and a medium eye.
No.
You want both tiny eyes?
Wait up.
You want both tiny eyes?
No.
So I'm gonna have.
Yeah. This time we made a tiny faces. I
I
want to make.
still need little eyes. Oh, they're so small. Okay, I got it. So I got a big eye and a tiny eye.
Yeah, we might do
The
it.
problem is that no, you don't glue it. It's like a sticker. You have to peel off the sticky back. But just pinch it off. It's so small that it's you can just pinch it off. And my little yellow frog gets a googly eye.
I'm trying.
Just pinch it, look here. Just pinching it down and it just rubs off. Do you get it?
Yes. Look at those little eyes.
Googly eye on there as well. Look at this guy.
Why you want to so weird?
He's a good frog. Pick this up, put it over there. And we have a whole lineup of frogs over here. And he was almost complete.
And now we have frog party.
Oh, frog party.
I want to eat you up. I want to eat you up.
So we have a frog party. No, frogs don't fight, they just jump around.
No.
That's a frog party. And there we have it, folks. There's our little frogs.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
googly eye, small googly eye. You can draw on a face.
Yeah, actually, it should be weird too.
Okay, the one with the normal human face is super weird as well.
Yeah, I
Let's
did
get it.
do it.
We cover it up and wow, he jumped right across. Let's see yours. Wow. That's a nice one. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, for this one especially, please pause the video as you go along. You can rewind it again, follow along slowly. Please like, do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notifications of any new videos.
Yeah, I know.
Be good
And have fun.
have fun. Bye.
Bye.